Hello everybody, it's Zach Johnson again with Cody Pools. Just switching up the venue a little bit, doing a renovation bid. Just curious if you guys wanted to see how this goes. But this is an older pool in central Austin. You see it's got the old school bullnose brick with the heavy duty exposed aggregate deck that's rough on your feet and hot. But it's got the old school deco tile looking waterline tile. But gonna give them a bid. Basically just entails me just measuring around the pool to establish the perimeter of the pool and then establish the average depth of the pool, so I can basically get the volume of water, and I can give a pretty solid bid from that. But yeah, this pool, it's got the old school white marcite plaster. The old stuff used to have asbestos in it, so it lasted a lot longer than current marcite plaster. Which is why we really don't use it anymore, because once they outlawed asbestos, it just was not a good product anymore. But anyway, take care.